Hey guys, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and I got a shipment of goodies in, and I haven't even seen what it is yet. So these are parts and kits and things of that nature. So I thought we'd just take a look at these together and see what's going on. So there's a little bit of background noise. I've got my plotter cutting some stuff, so you'll just have to deal with that, I guess. So all right, let's see what we got first here. This seems big. Oh, aha! Oh, we got all sorts of stuff. So first off are some dual rims. We got planetary inside. I use these for Versatiles and Steiger tractors, and as well as some New Holland tractors and Buellers and things of that nature. So anyway, got enough of those to last me a week, probably. Now, here, oh yeah, this is what I'm excited about. So this is the rear end for a brand new tractor. So on this version, I'm doing an Ertl style hitch. On the last run of New Hollands and Buellers I did, it seemed like more people wanted this style hitch than wanted my fancy realistic hitch. So we're gonna do a run of these. For the folks that want that. I'm accommodating. Not everything has to be perfect detail on the farm. Sometimes you want to hook up an Ertl piece of equipment to it, right? So, all right. So I didn't bring a tripod today. I thought I had one here. I don't. So that's why we're kind of awkward here, by the way. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Oh, gonna like this. Check that out. These are those Kuhn Knight spreader thingies that everybody seems pretty pumped up about. I know I am. Can't wait to get one of those painted up tonight. Alright, what else we got here? Oh, look at this. This is another tractor. Yeah, it looks like you got a few broken parts on these, but that's okay. They're fixable. Like, see, here's a handrail that's off on that. Boo. Let's do that. Any guess what this is yet, guys? Let's see. Okay. Well, I really wish they wouldn't have put the fronts and the backs in there together, but that's the way it goes. Sometimes the folks at FaxBox don't quite understand American agriculture. Surprising. I think when you live in a city of like 20 million people, you probably don't know anything about agriculture. Alright, what we got here? Oh, this looks like some... Oh, yeah, love these. Clear cab glass for New Holland Bueller Versatiles. Super excited of that. I mean... Alright, okay, here we have parts. I'm not going to pull these out. These are for modern, versatile Delta track and wheel track tractors, handrails and things of that nature. These, oh, here we go. These are kind of cool. First time I've done this. These are the interior for a New Holland Bueller Versatile tractor. I separated them so they'll paint easier. Check that out, Ertl. I have a real steering wheel on mine. Not just that flat tab stuff you guys do. Like Ertl's watching this video. Anybody from Ertl's watching this. Okay. So here are some parts for those spreaders. Aha. Here is the cab top for one of our tractors. Now here is... So this is just gonna... I'm just gonna give you a sneak peek. Oh, here's the hood for that tractor. So, another thing I printed a whole bunch of toolboxes. It's hard to see the detail with the light the way it is here, but there you go. Pardon the dirt out of my fingers. I've been working today. Let's see. I'm going to show you a couple examples of those. Here are some nice what do we call those? Sort of triangular trapezoidal type toolboxes. The rest of I've got another set of toolboxes. They must be in another bag, so, or at least I think I do. I don't know. I've ordered a ton of parts from Backfox recently, so it's just the way it goes. Aha! So I ran out of these dual hopper spreader beds, and thankfully I was able to get some pretty quickly. I didn't order as many as I think I really would have liked to have, but you know, with lockdown situation, I'm not sure I need to be ordering a ton right now. Plus, show season's off. Oh, here we go. Here's another toolbox I was wanting to show you guys. It's kind of a workbench style toolbox, you can see there. So that's pretty cool. Boy, there is just no rhyme or reason to the way they pack these things. Here's a cab for one of those tractors, which I'll get painting maybe tonight if all goes well. And that way I can show you a couple new tractors, hopefully. Let's see what this is. Wrapped into... Oh, yeah. Alright, a lot of you guys know about this. So here is, I don't know, what I would call, or what I've been calling the second generation Bueller Versatile. So this has the round headlights, the hood slopes a little bit more, there's some other modifications to it, just slight things. That's what those rear ends were off of. If I can find them again. Here they are. There we go. That's what these rear ends go to. I'm really excited about these. I love the look of these tractors. I think they just look tough. So I'm going to get some of these, get some nice big tires mounted up under them, and we'll see if anybody else is interested in them. Alright, so now what they're going to do, yep, so most stuff they just threw in the box. These they're going to wrap individually, so I'm going to have like 20 of those to unwrap. I'm not going to bore you guys unwrapping all of them, because we're already up to like 7 minutes on this video. Alright, I know I just got a couple other things I was going to show you guys, or thought you guys might be interested in. Aha! Here are the rest of my night spreaders and some fertilizer boxes, so that's cool. Oh look, Backfox sent me a fox. So they're also sending mask out with every order, which that's not a bad thing. So it's kind of cool. You know, like Backfox, I feel like they take care of their customers maybe a little bit better than say Shapeways does. That's why I order a lot more from them. Okay, these are all. Okay, here's the last bundle of stuff. I think. There might be one other. Aha! There we go. So those are the cab tops for those Bueller Versatiles. So I can just kind of see those. So I had the cab separated out, so it just makes things a little easier to paint, hopefully. Okay, yep, that's it. Everything else in here are just the versatile, the individual versatile front end. So, yep, that's what that is. So, cool. Well, alright guys, so there you go. There's unboxing an order. So tonight we're going to have to inventory all this stuff and start working on it. Because I got a couple of those prototype tractors, those Buellers and that other one, and that night spreader I want to get out on the market as soon as possible. So